Okay, today I'm going to show you a very cool tool called Source SDK. You can just get it in the Steam tools section right up here, and just download those two, Source SDK Base and Source SDK. And make sure you have a game, like Half-Life 2 or Counter-Strike Source. I'm going to be using Half-Life 2, and I'm going to double-click on Hammer Editor, okay, and as you can see down here, I've got my Half-Life 2 selected as the game I'm gonna create a map for. So we're just gonna minimize this box. It's not really important. It's just the messages box. So we're gonna go to File New, so we can create a new project. And I'm just gonna change some things to my comfort real quick. There we go. And so we're gonna click on we're gonna click on camera, and then we're gonna 3D textured, so that allows us to see it. And this right here, we're just going to draw a square right here, for our base. Oh, and by the way, that's the top view, okay? And down there, that's the side view, and that's the other side view. So don't get those mixed up, and make sure you know what you're doing. So we just pressed enter there, and that just made a textured thing. So we're going to place a camera about right here. That sounds good. And we're going to make, that's the red line's the side of the camera, what we're looking upon. And now we're just going to move it up with the arrow keys a little bit. And there it is. So we're just going to go up and, around with the camera. You can also adjust the height and stuff in the other boxes. So now we can see our floor. That's very good. Now we're going to create some walls for it, because that's what we need. So I reselected the cube tool. We're just going to select right there. That looks good. We're going to let go, and then we're going to down here, we're going to adjust the height. Okay, so that's the top view, remember, and that's the side view. That's right, that's like the width of there, right there. And then this is the height down here. So we're just going to pull this up to, just whatever you want. So I'm just going to leave it right there, and I'm going to press enter, and it's going to become, a wall. So now we're going to copy and paste it. We already selected it using that select tool up there, and I copied and pasted it. So now we're just going to drag it down all the way to here, and it's the same wall. But see, we got to adjust it. So look, it's not aligned, so we're just going to move it up. There it is, perfectly aligned, no problem. Now we're just going to make another wall using the cube, because we can't copy and paste it. We don't want horizontal, we want it vertical. So there we go. That looks about the right height. It's already there, so it's already centered too. So we're just going to press enter, and it's going to become a cube or a wall. So now we're going to make another one, and there it is. So we're just, oh wait, what happened here? Oh, all right. My bad. I already created a wall there, so we're just gonna have to delete that. So. So you select it, make sure you select it, okay, and then you right click on it, okay, after you select it. It's already selected, then you click just delete, and it's gone. So now we're just going to make another vertical one on the side here. So there it is, and looks about the right height, it's centered, so we're just going to press enter. Now as you can see, we can't see inside anymore, so we're just going to use the W key to go forward, and here. There it is. So now we're going to create a ceiling. So I selected the bottom floor. Okay, I copied it and pasted it. Now we gotta align it perfectly. It's right there. There it is. Now we let go, and then we're just gonna bring it up to the top, since it's already just like the floor. There we go. No gaps or anything. All right, and now we have to add some light. So we're going to click on this, the entity tool, okay, and then we're going to place it right here. Now that is a user spawn point. You can change that by selecting it with the select tool, right clicking on it, and going down to properties and choosing what you want it to be. So let's see, we want light, so we're going to look for light, and light would be in the L section. It's all in alphabetical order. So light, there it is, right there, light, simple as that. Now just hit apply down there, and then cancel, and then there's your light. Now we're gonna copy it. Okay, we're gonna paste it too. Now already did it, so we're just gonna move the other one right here. There's our other light. So now our level is ready to play, so let's click up here, and it'll, oh, I forgot to save it first, that's right. So you go to File, Save As, and we're just going to type test 1. And we're going to click Save. So now we have to go to Export, so it'll go into the maps list of the game. And now we click this, and click OK, so we're going to run the game, and now it's going to compile it here into C++, so that we're able to play it. So it doesn't take long at all, but the only reason it's taking long for me is because I'm running the hypercam. So here we go. Now it's going to open up Half-Life 2. So I just click Escape. Alright, now we just gotta wait for a second. Actually, for quite a bit. Probably since I'm running this hypercam, it's taking up a lot of the computer's usage. It'll take a while. There's lots of things you can do though with with Source SDK. You can put NPCs that will really try to kill you, and maybe I'll put in a video later. Just check my profile, and I made a map called Can You Survive? And there's tons of zombies everywhere. Oh, here we are. Alright. Now, what happened here is I'm stuck in the floor. Our map is here and ready to play, and I'm stuck in the floor. It stinks, because the reason I'm stuck in the floor is because I didn't put... You can't really see it clearly because I didn't compress my frames the right way. So, this is those two lights right there, and yeah, they're just there. You can't... They aren't gonna look like lights unless you put something over them that's like transparent, such as glass. But anyway, there they are. And so the reason I'm stuck on the floor is because I didn't put a user spawn point. Remember that thing I was telling you about? I didn't put one, so it's just gonna spawn me anywhere. Well, anyway, there's our map. It's pretty cool. If you have any questions, just email me, whatever. freezingfire62@gmail.com. We're just gonna go to Task Manager and end task. There we go. We're just gonna close that out, and there's our compiled C++. Alright, and you just copy it to the clipboard if you want. Thanks for watching.